beautiful, beautiful, beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger.
Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cruz of Bellamazing. In today's video, we'll be talking about everything you need to know about balancing a spoon and a fork with the match. So without further ado, let's get started. So ang layunin ng video na to is to show kung bakit at paano ba nababalance yung fork and spoon gamit lang ang match. So the materials needed for this experiment is spoon and fork, a glass, and lastly, this match. So ito yung matchstick. Ipapasok ko siya dito sa gitna. So, nag-balance siya. So, the explanation of what we did a while ago is, kaya na-balance ng matchstick yung spoon and fork sa rim ng glass because of the center of gravity, wherein yung weight ng utensils napupunta siya dun sa tip ng match. Anyway, kaya din hindi nag-collapse at tuluyang nasunog yung matchstick. It is because of one of the requirements of fire was taken out, which is the heat. Yung present dapat na requirements ng fire are heat, fuel, and oxygen. Pag may nawala, isa doon, ang cause is the fire will go out.
Hi guys! My name is Mary Grace Emma Punin from group Bellamazing and welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, magbabalanse po ako ng pako. Yes, pako. Pako po, pako. The materials are nails and wood. So, first step, aayusin muna natin yung pako. Then, ibabalance. Ay! Try.
I apply gravity and weight. I use nail with uniform individual weight and apply center of gravity and center of mass of the nails. The nail fall over when the center of gravity is not supported because the mass is unstable. The top nail lowered at last because of gravity. The middle nail entangled because the head is in center of gravity and mass that entangled them to each other.
Hi everyone, I'm Reneza Joy Dite Pase and I am part of Bellamazing. So for today's video, I will be doing the clay and stick balance. So let's go! For our materials, of course we will use a stick and a clay. So our objectives of this experiment is to balance the stick and to explain the physics behind it. Okay, so let's start the experiment na. So first is get your stick. I use a stick from my shoe rack here since I can't find any wooden stick. Then a clay. Next is put the clay on in this part of the stick. And that's it. So let's now try to balance the stick wherein the clay is in this side, like this. So let's start. So see, as you can see, we cannot balance it, and the explanation for that is because the weight, the mass of an object is in this side. It has less rotational inertia. Hence, if we balance it, the gravity will just pull on these lower parts. Paganon, paganon, paganon. The next naman is ito namang part wherein yung clay nasa taas na part ng stick. Para makita nyo. Ayan. Kita nyo na so for the explanation for that is since itong mass, itong object is mabigat, nahihila niya yung gravity pababa. Kaya mas nagiging steady yung pag-balance natin. So that's all. Thank you for watching.
Hi guys, this is Judel Cortez and I am part of Bellamazing and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing a how to swing a glass of water in a circle experiment. So by the way, andito po pala ako sa bubong kaya may nakikita kayong puno and sobrang ingay po dito kasi kalsada na po yung next sa akin. So the goal of this video is mapaikot yung circle surface vertically and horizontally. And hindi matatapon yung water. So without further ado, let's go to the main video. So the materials needed are, ito yung nakikita nyo guys, yung pinaglalagyan ng paper plate. I don't know kung anong tawag dito, basta pinaglalagyan ng paper plate. Buti nakita ko to kasi sa basurahan ko to nakita. Charot, sa tambak pala namin. Basurahan, grabe naman. Tapos maganda siya guys kasi may pagtatalian talaga siya sa gilid. So, helpful talaga to. Tapos guys, syempre panali. Ito, nakita ko lang dito sa karton sa tindahan namin. Tapos ito guys, yan. Ito guys, plastic cups na may water. So, ayun. So, dapat guys, mabilis talaga yung pag-ikot nyo. And also, the gravity is pulling down on everything. And also, it is centripetal force. Centripetal force, basically, kahit pa horizontal pa siya, or pa vertical, or pa curve, or something, magkukontinue pa rin yung object. And also, the water inertia keeps the direction of the water in a straight path. Lastly, it's not a magic. It's physics.
Hi guys, I'm Isabel Kunastirafer from Bellamazing Group, and in this video you'll be seeing an experiment where my goal is to lift up the glass panel using only tissue and glass cup. So yeah, watch my video guys. So the materials that we need to use are, the first one is the glass, the second is the water, the third is the match, and next is the tissue, and lastly, the glass cup.
experiment is where when the tissue burns, a thin layer of air forms in the cup. The air pressure in the cup is now lower than the outside pressure, gradually forming a vacuum where there is no pressure. Wet paper helps the edges of the cup stick to the glass. The outside pressure also presses the glass panel into the glass, allowing us to lift the glass with a certain weight on it.
Hi guys! I am here again to give you some informations and ideas about the latest inventions this year. Number 1. Turning streetwear into solar power plants. It is invented on October 22, 2020 from Swiss Federal Laboratories for Material Science and Technology. Researchers have developed material that works like a luminescent solar concentrator and can even be applied to textiles. This opens up numerous possibilities for producing energy directly where it is needed, i.e., in the use of everyday electronics. Number 2. Detecting early stage failure in electric power conversion devices. It is invented on October 19, 2020 from Osaka University. Researchers used acoustic emission during power cycling tests to monitor in real time the complete failure process from the earliest stages in silicon carbide Schottky diodes. This development will help solve wear-out failure problems that are limiting advanced applications in computers, solar cells, and many other devices. Number 3. Mathematical tools predict if wave energy devices stay afloat in the ocean. New analytical framework predicts the propensity of wave energy devices to capsize. It is invented on October 13, 2020 from Texas A&M University. Ocean waves represents an abundant source of renewable energy. But to best use this natural resource, wave energy converters needs to be capable of physically handling ocean waves of different strengths without capsizing. Lastly, device takes us closer to high-performing wearable and eco-disposable at electronics. It is invented on October 28, 2020 from University of Surrey. The engineers in University of Surrey has unveiled a device with unique functionality that could signal the dawn of the new design philosophy for electronics, including next-generation wearables and eco-disposable sensors called MMT or multimodal transistor. The MMT's immunity to parasitic effects that reduce a transistor's capacity to produce uniform, repeatable signal.
Proverbs chapter 8, verse 17. I love those who love me, and those who seek me diligently find me. You need to move in order to succeed. We can also apply here the third law of motion. In every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In order for us to succeed in life, we need to be hardworking and persevere. For example, one of my group mates has gone through challenges in order to succeed with her experiment.